So this is me trying to just do this life like I don't know the direction. I've recorded a video a few minutes ago and I'm about to record another one now. I don't know how this YouTube thing is going to be, but I think I want to use this point to document about myself more. By the way, I love my looks. I had a haircut a few years ago, and this is the new look for Flowith Pee. So we are kind of intentional about my growth. I started reading a book. I'm almost halfway done. Ikigai. It's your Japanese secret to a long and happy life. I'm kind of focused on living a happy life than just running around money. I want to have this money and also live a happy life. I want to have this money and also create memorable moments as well. So I started reading it. I know you might be wondering what these colors are. I have meanings to it. I placed them here. Don't know if you can see it. Okay, I placed them here, and for every page I read, I get a reflection for these colors. So Ikigai, after this I'm going to be reading the 80-20 principle. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Peace.